Let's rewind to 1984. A British scientist named Alec is working in his lab at the University of Leicester. One day, while studying genetic sequences, he realizes that certain regions of DNA vary greatly among individuals. This discovery leads to the development of DNA fingerprinting, a technique that can identify individuals based on their unique genetic makeup. This method revolutionizes forensic science, helping to solve crimes and identify remains. Imagine having the power to solve mysteries that have baffled detectives for years, all through the science of DNA. What mystery would you want to solve using DNA fingerprinting? Share your thoughts in the comments below.